Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your solar contractor submits monthly reports. Everything looks fine. 98% uptime, 87% performance ratio, all systems optimal. But behind those numbers, issues are accumulating. String faults going undetected, thermal anomalies ignored, soiling patterns unaddressed. By the time problems become visible enough for contractors to report, you've already lost $200K. And they won't tell you because it makes them look incompetent. Today, I'm teaching you how to detect hidden contractor incompetence before it costs you millions. Contractors have a financial incentive to not report problems early. Why? Because early detection equals small fixes equals small billings. Late detection equals emergency repairs equals premium billings. So contractors unconsciously or consciously delay reporting issues. Your uptime guarantee doesn't reward them for preventing failures. It only penalizes them if failures occur, so they report when forced to. You need to detect issues yourself before they tell you. You're thinking, our contractor is reputable, they have a reputation to protect. True, but their reputation is protected by their SLA, not by maximizing your revenue. As long as they hit 97% uptime, they've met their obligation. What they do to hit that target, whether efficiently or through patches and band-aids, isn't your concern in their mind. You need independent verification. Here's what to do. Step 1, demand real-time SCADA access, not monthly reports. Real-time dashboards where you see data as it happens. Most contractors claim they can't provide this. Push back. If they have the data, and they do, they can share it. Step 2, set up external monitoring. Deploy a thermal drone on a quarterly schedule, not annually, quarterly. Compare drone thermal signatures to contractor maintenance reports. If the drone finds issues contractors didn't report, you have a problem. Step 3, hire a third-party performance audit firm for annual verification. Independent eyes are cheaper than hidden losses. Step 4, build contractual provisions for automated alerts. Any string underperforming by 10%, any inverter efficiency dropping more than 2% month over month, any area showing thermal anomalies. Automatic escalation to you, not just the contractor. Step 5, calculate contractor penalties for issues you discover that they didn't report. This creates incentive alignment. We've covered why contractors have incentive to delay reporting issues and how you can detect them independently before they become catastrophic. Your contractor is probably hiding performance issues right now. Not maliciously, just economically rational. But those hidden issues are costing you thousands per month. Schedule a free contractor accountability audit. We'll review your contractor's maintenance reports against third-party data, identify hidden issues they haven't reported, and show you exactly where they're falling short. For most 50 to 100 megawatt portfolios, this reveals $100K, $300K in contractor-caused losses annually. Book your audit. First 25 operators get a list of recommended contract modifications to improve contractor accountability. Your contractor's reports look good. 98% uptime, 87% performance ratio. But behind those numbers, they're hiding issues. Here's what to do. Deploy real-time SCADA access, quarterly thermal drone audits, and automated anomaly alerts. This is how you detect contractor incompetence before it costs you $200K. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.